Hello and welcome to Boulevard de la Croisette in Cannes, where today we are going to be visiting an exceptional 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment in one of the most prestigious residences on the Croisette, named Le Marly, with security, concierge services and beautiful gardens below, and of course, as you can see, these exceptional views of the Bay of Cannes. The apartment has been fully renovated. It is filled with light and 60 square meters of exceptional terrace. So let's go and take a look together. Come on in. This apartment is beautifully laid out. We have 2 of the ensuite bedrooms on either side of me here. Both have built-in cupboards, beautiful wooden floors and ensuite bathrooms. Both have access to a terrace as well. And then we go straight through into this very light and open living space with open plan kitchen. Now, what's rare about this apartment is this wraparound terrace with both west and northwest views gives plenty of light, and not only a view of the sea and the Bay of Cannes, but also all the way up to the mountains above Cannes, so you'll see snow in the winter. This open plan kitchen is fitted with high-end appliances. We have plenty of storage space as well. And as you can see, this lovely mix, which is throughout the apartment, of natural use of wood as well as the sleek white, which is what brings it this very peaceful Zen atmosphere within the apartment. And again, lots and lots of light. Going through to the main bedroom now, we saw the entrance to the 2 bedrooms closer to the entry of the apartment. The main bedroom has wonderful sea views right from the bed, and of course as well, built-in cupboards and a bathroom. That is a view that is worth waking up for in the morning. We're of course on the west side, or west facing, so sun rises on the east on the Boulevard Gazanière side. This west side, you'll get extraordinary sunsets. So from the main bedroom with its terrace access and sea views, we're going to go back now to the 2 bedrooms that we saw at the entrance of the apartment. The 2nd bedroom, as you can see, has beautiful views as well over the Bay of Cannes and all the way up to the mountains above. We have access onto the same terrace that the main bedroom and living room access, which is just over 60 square meters and a rare wraparound terrace for the Croisette. This bedroom has an ensuite bathroom, desk, workspace, as well as built-in cupboards. And what I love in the bedrooms is the solid wood floors underfoot that really have a warm feeling to them. And across the corridor, this is the 3rd bedroom. Again, ensuite bathroom, very high-end finishes, cupboards that are built in as well, and an access to its own terrace with a view on the other side of Palm Beach. Thank you for joining me for a tour of this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment in Résidence Le Marly, one of the most prestigious residences on the Croisette in Cannes. This is a rare offering, and if you would like more information, please do not hesitate to contact me. My name is Alice from Fine & Country on the French Riviera, and we hope to see you again very soon. À très bientôt!